Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling only the essential papers: original ID, address proof, and one photocopy for each. Once done, book an appointment or head to the nearest update center within their working hours so you don't lose time waiting. At the counter, provide your Aadhaar number and ensure your mobile can receive the OTP. This confirms your identity. Make sure you carry the small service fee because the operator will ask for payment before processing updates. You hand over documents and the operator scans and uploads them into the Aadhaar portal. This creates your update request. Next, select exactly which fields to update, whether name, address, biometrics, or contact details, and explain why you're changing them so the operator applies the right form. Then you verify on-screen entries and allow a fresh photograph or biometric capture if required. Make sure to watch each step, because correcting errors later costs time. You complete the process when the operator prints an acknowledgement slip that contains your update request number. Keep it safe because this is how you track status. Once paid and acknowledged, processing may take from a few days to several weeks depending on validation. You can check status using the URN. If the update is rejected, remain calm, ask to speak to the supervisor, review which document failed verification, and promptly resubmit corrected or additional proofs to avoid further delays.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.